I met you when I was a teen, but then you were one as well. And I could play a guitar just like ringing a bell. Sometimes I wonder, in any other summer, could you have been my part-time lover to me, listening to Stevie Wonder under the covers where we used to lay and read stacks is what the speakers play. I'll be on tour almost every day. When I was home back in my flat is where we used to stay, just watching a DVD, smoking illegal weed, getting high as two cats when we needed to breathe. We used to share just for people to see and stay up all night like when we needed to sleep. We'd go anywhere our minds would take us, and I say you were beautiful without your makeup, and you don't even need to worry about your weight, cause we cannot be loved the way that God made us. Sometimes the only reason that we could break up, cause you would always tell me I'm way too much. Distance is relative to the time that it takes to get on a plan or make a mistake. Say again, oh Nina, you should go, Nina, cause say you're never coming home, Nina, oh won't you leave me now? And I've been living on the road, Nina, but then again you should know, Nina, cause that's you and me both, Nina, oh won't you leave me now? And every weekend in the winter you'd be wearing my hoodie with strings pulled tight to keep your face from the cold, taking day trips to the local where we eat on our own, cause every day when I was away we'd only speak on the phone, watching Blue Planet, creating new habit, acting as if we were two rabbits, and then you'd vanish back to the bar without a tactics that disappear. You got me selfish, I don't understand but I can help it. I put my job over everything, said my family and friends, but you'll be in between forever, so I guess we have to take a step back, overlook the situation, cause mixing business and feelings we only lead to complications. And I'm not saying we should be taking a break, just reevaluate quick before we make a mistake and it's too late, so we can either deal with the pain or wait to get on the plan. But in the day we have to say again, oh Nina, you should go, Nina, cause say you're never coming home, Nina, oh won't you leave me now? And I've been living on the road, Nina, but then again you should know, Nina, cause that's you and me both, Nina, oh won't you leave me now? Now, love will come and love will go, but you can make it on your own. Sing that song, oh won't you leave me now? People grow and fall apart, but you can mend your broken heart. Take it back, oh won't you leave me now? Oh, Nina, you should go, Nina, so you're never coming home, Nina, oh won't you leave me now? I've been living on the road, Nina, then again you should know, Nina, that's you and me both, Nina, oh won't you leave me now? Oh, Nina, you should go, Nina, so you're never coming home, Nina, oh won't you leave me now? I'll be leaving on the road, I'll be leaving on the road, then again you should know, then again you should know, that's you and me both, that's you and me both, won't you